Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing at 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. An ash MB Tex interior with a barrel walnut dash, pano sunroof. Coming around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come out with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 84,334 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.